more rumblings within the BJP. In an interview to the Indian Express, senior BJP leader L.K. Advani has said he fears that an emergency-like situation may return and that forces that can crush democracy are getting stronger. Who or what is he talking about?
A word of caution from BJP patriarch L.K. Advani, just days ahead of the 40th anniversary of the emergency. In an interview to the Indian Express, he said, "Forces that can crush democracy have become stronger. I don't have the confidence that it cannot happen again. I do not see any sign in our polity that assures me any outstanding aspect of leadership." The BJP patriarch has had a tumultuous equation with Narendra Modi in recent times. And while his latest comments come at a time when the BJP is facing its first big real test and crisis, the opposition maintains that Mr. Advani's comments are aimed at the party's top leadership.
At this moment, BJP government is there. He happened to be the senior leader of the BJP. And in what context he said it, you have to draw your own inferences.
बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता है अद्वानी साहब, जब वो बोलते हैं इसके अंदर कुछ तथ्य तो जरूर होंगे, लेकिन ये बात वही है जो बात हमारी पार्टी 2 महीने पहले कह चुकी है.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been locked in a bitter battle with the centre, tweeted sarcasm. Seemingly taken aback by Advani's public outburst, the BJP Parivar attempted damage control.
Yes, it is his opinion and it is worth discussing it.
मोदी जी से काफी सीनियर है आयु में और अनुभव में, वो मोदी जी से बात कर सकते हैं. मार्गदर्शक मंडल में है वो बीजेपी के, तो ये इंटरव्यू के द्वारा उनको कोई संदेश देना ये उनका उद्देश्य होगा ऐसा मुझे लगता नहीं.
A salvo from the veteran, his first during PM Modi-led government, couldn't have come at a worse time, when the government and the BJP have their hands full with Sushma and Vasundhara. With Sandeep Phukan in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.